Garret from Garret's Guitar Lessons, and today I'm going to be going through 3 minor arpeggio inspired licks in the key of G minor. Now these are minor arpeggio inspired licks because while most of the notes come from notes from the arpeggio, not all of them do. So kind of incorporating a couple other notes into each of these licks as well. Alright, here's the first one. This one's going to be taking place in my A minor shape. So there's my A minor arpeggio right there with my first finger on the 10th fret 5th string because I'm in the key of G, and this is G right there. Okay, so I'm going to be starting out with my 10th fret on the 5th string, 12th fret on the 5th string, and then hammering on my 13th fret on the 5th string. Then I'm going to be going 4th string, 12th fret, and then 3rd string, 12th fret. Then I'm going to be pulling off from the 11th to the 10th on the 2nd string. Now I'm going to be going back to the 12th fret on the 3rd string, and then 10th to 11th on the 2nd string, and then 12th on the 3rd string, 12th on the 4th string, 12th on the 3rd string. Alright, all together. So my second lick is, and this one's going to be taking place again in the key of G minor. This one's going to be with the C minor shape arpeggio. So my pinky is going to be at the 10th fret, 5th string. That's where my arpeggio is going to be found. And the lick is actually going to start out at the 10th fret on the 1st string. Now I'm going to start with that note, the 10th fret, 1st string, pull off to the 6th fret on the 1st string, and then 8th fret on the 2nd string, and then 6th fret, or 7th fret on the 3rd string. Then we're going back to the 8th fret on the 2nd string, back to the 6th fret on the 1st string. So all together we have pull off, 10 to 6, and then on the 1st string, 8 on the 2nd string, 7 on the 3rd string, kind of walk our way back up, 8th fret on the 2nd string, and then 6th fret on the 1st string, 8th fret on the 1st string, and then 10th fret on the 1st string again. Okay, and then from there I'm going to be pulling off to the 8th fret on my 1st string, and then 6th fret on the 1st string. Now go back to the 8th fret on the 2nd string, 7th fret on the 3rd string, and then end it finally on the 8th fret on the 4th string. All together. The third lick is going to be, this one's going to be taking place in my E minor arpeggio shape. That's going to be, since we're in the key of G, my first finger is going to be on the 3rd fret, 6th string right there. And my first finger's the lick starts out with my first finger on the 3rd fret on both the 3rd, 2nd, and 1st string. And the important thing here is that even though we're barring our first finger across all 3 of those strings, is that we want each of those notes to be separated. Alright, now I'm going to be pulling off from my 6th fret to my 3rd fret on my 1st string, and then be going to my 6th fret on the 2nd string. Then I'm going to be going back to the 1st string, where I'm going to be going 3rd fret, and then pull off again from my 6th to my 3rd. After that, I'm going to be going to my 6th fret on my 2nd string, and then 3rd fret on my 2nd string, 3rd fret on my 3rd string, 5th fret on my 4th string. Alright, now all together that's going to sound like. So there are 3 licks that are inspired by our minor arpeggios. So feel free to kind of drop them in. If there's a minor chord that pops up, you don't really know what to play over it, those licks will kind of plop right in as long as the root note of the arpeggio that we're playing is the same as the root note of the chord. If you like this lesson video, be sure to check out Garret'sGuitarLessons.com for more free lessons and resources. And I even have a tab of the licks that I just went through here. And be sure to like, subscribe, and share to this YouTube channel in order to kind of get the latest updates and whatnot. So leave me some comments in the comment section below, and I look forward to seeing you guys next time.